good evening. This is Michael from Asia Virtual Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about updating your GSA Search Engine Ranker. You will think that it's quite a simple, straightforward process, but I have noticed a lot of people are not updating their GSA Search Engine Ranker as soon as new updates come available. This is quite important thing to do, because with new updates you get bug fixes that are corrected, there's new features that's added, and it just helps to make the program better. So I cannot understand why somebody would not like to immediately, as soon as possible, install updates. Or maybe you just don't know how to install the updates. It's a bit overwhelming. So I've done this post for you on Asia Virtual Solutions. Go over the post or just watch this video. I have a lot of related information in here on why you want to update your GSA Search Engine Ranker software as soon as possible. So let's go over to my VPS, and then I'll walk you through the steps of updating. So once you're logged into your VPS, or if it's running on your home computer, you will see the bottom right here, it says update available. So when you see that means there's an update available. Exactly what it says. And to proceed with the update is really very straightforward. If you did not have GSA running and you just started up now, when you start it up, it will give you a pop-up. Let me find that second. Where is this now? 1 second. Okay, sorry, I'll show you what you will see when it's on your when the update is available. Not this post, sorry, give me a second. You'll get a notice like this. You see, I don't know, I hope you can see this. And it will show you that the update is available. This you will see when you just start a computer. But if you're on the VPS and it's running all the time, you will be seeing the green little thing at the bottom there. So straightforward. All you do is click update is available. You don't have to stop your programs first or anything, but it's a good idea to stop it. If you don't stop it, it's not the end of the world. GSA Search Engine Ranker will stop it for you. So we just click update available on the green. We click on that, and then we just wait for GSA to wake up. Click it again. Come on. Why don't you want to play along? You should be able to just click on update available. I'm not sure why it's not going to play with me now. And then it showed me this, force update on existing data. So we can just click yes, or you can just leave it. It will automatically go away and start the update. And you will see this. It will show you first what has been updated. You can make it bigger if you want to read. So we can see in this update, it fixed two things. There's two updates. If we go the minor issues on link revalidation, so they fixed something. They improved the no follow, do follow detection. They improved the link extraction, that it look for links and it extract the link from websites. They improved submission, so maybe just a little bit faster or better at the form submissions whether you submit. The random address data has been updated, and they updated the API key for GSA proxy scraper, which was partially broken. So we click on yes, update. If you don't want the update for some unexplainable reason, you click no cancel. Maybe you want to come back and update later, then you click no cancel, but I suggest you click yes update. So it will now download the updates from the GSA Search Engine Ranker servers. It will then open the update and start installing the update for you. It will automatically close. You'll see in a minute. There you go. It closed GSA Search Engine Ranker. Now it's installing the update. And sometimes they install stuff like the bad words or the adult words or something system files. This is not your project data that's going to override. You don't have to worry. The updates will never override your project or your settings. This is just system file stuff. So you can always just click the bottom there. Otherwise it'll keep popping up if there's many things that it's overwriting. Click override the existing file. So we can see exactly the update the address data that it used, that it auto fills addresses. So it just updated that, it says to us. So we click on override the existing file, and it will carry on and complete the installation. Now it is installing the stuff, and when it's done, it will restart GSA Search Engine Ranker for us. I'm just going to see now it's verifying the license, and it will restart. Okay, so now it restarted, and it installed update. You will see that the green little thing is no longer there. So if you want to know exactly what was updated, if you missed the part in the beginning, or you want to see past updates, if you click on the help and go to version history. So here you can see the history. You can make it bigger. So you can see all the updates that's been installed. So if you look at the dates, this was updated on the 14th. So that's 4 days ago. Then the 13th, on the 12th. So most of the updates come at the end of the week, around Thursday, Friday normally. But sometimes you can get several updates a week. So it's important to always install the latest updates to ensure your software is running smooth. If for any reason you now you find that, oh crap, something is broken or the update didn't work, come on, close here. The update didn't work, and something is not right, then you can easily go and roll it back. So you just go to the C folder where GSA is installed, the C program files, and you'll see GSA Search Engine Ranker. And now you will see two GSA Search Engine Ranker. There's the current one, and then there's one that's old. The old one is the one that we just updated. So if there's a problem with this one for some reason, 99.99% of the time there will be no problem. But in case something broke the thing, you can just delete that one and then just rename this one then to GSA Search Engine Ranker and remove the old. Then it will be the previous version. So just delete the current one, application, and then rename this one to just remove the underscore old. And then you can just start with this one and it will reload the previous version. That's how you can reinstall if there was an update. But basically, in a nutshell, it's very straightforward to update. You can also go to here and check for updates. In the help, check for updates. And if there's any updates, it will tell you there's an update available, or most you will actually see there at the bottom it will says if there's an update available. So in this case there is none, so it's not gonna find anything. Okay, and basically this steps is the same for most. So then I clicked for check for update, and then it asked me, do you want to force the update if there's anything? Then we click yes, but it will tell you your version is up to date, so we don't have to install anything. Okay, so basically this step is this procedure is the same for almost all of the GSA contact form, GSA SEO indexer, all redirect capture breaker. They all will show a little green thingy at the bottom, and you just click on that. Don't worry, none of your projects will get deleted or overwritten or anything when you update. Okay, so if you have any questions, drop me a note and I'll be happy to help answer if you have questions. Thanks, and happy updating. Have a good day. Bye.